Hello, future developers. So, welcome to the continuation of our HTML tutorial. So, today we'll be learning to make a list. Okay, so we have the ordered and then unordered list. So, we'll be learning them today, as you see here. So, making a list. So, with the ordered list, we have it numbered, and then the unordered list, we have them bulleted. Okay, yeah, do you have a word for bulleted? Like bulleted. Okay, whichever way. So, let me just give my title. Let me see, list. Okay, so I'm going to name my title list, and then with my h1 tag. Okay, let me just make it ordered lists. Okay, so in between the uh, closing and opening tag of my h1, I'm going to type making ordered lists. Okay, so on a new line, I'm going to make an ordered list. You'd have to type OL. So the opening and closing tag for the ordered list is using an OL. Okay, so not this. I have to clear this out. Okay. So as you see, the less than then OL, and then you close it to a greater than sign, and then you also have the opening and closing tag for the closing tag for the ordered list. Okay, so now I'm going to make my list. So to make the list, just li, opening and closing tag for li, and in between the closing and opening tag, I'll type, or I'll make my list. Okay, so I'm using yam in my case. Okay, and then so you want to make a list of items to purchase or a list of items to have or to give out. Okay, so let me do the last one. So li, so li, so li is just list. Okay, ol is ordered list. Okay, so here I'm going to do maze. Okay, and then when I save it, or it's auto saved, I'll go to my browser, refresh it, and you can see I have my ordered list. So yam, rice, maize are numbered. Okay. So now let's make that of our unordered list. So our unordered lists are like they are bulleted. Okay. Don't know whether bulleted is a word. Okay. So with my h2 tag, okay, I'm going to type making an ordered list. Make an ordered list. Okay. So that's in between the closing and opening tag of my h2 tag. So now let's use to make an ordered list. We have the UL. Okay, so the UL an ordered list. This is wrong. I would have to clear this out. So take this out. Okay, then I'll do the opening and closing tag for our unordered list, which is UL. Okay, so as you see, and then I'm going to prepare my list by just creating the or typing the li. Okay, just as we did for the ordered list. So it's just the same thing here, just that this time around the ordered list has it lists inside the tag or the parent tag of a UL. Okay, so my list here is rice, let's say yam, and then maize or maize and yam. Okay, so li opening and closing tag in between them. I'm going to type yam, and then I'll do same for the last one. So this one I'm going to use maize. Okay, so now that is saved, I'll go to my browser, refresh it, and then we should see our unordered list. So this is how to make a ordered list and then an ordered list using the UL and then the OL tags. Okay, and LI. Okay, thank you.